In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front bumper bracket on this Chevy Silverado. It sits behind the corner of the front bumper. You can actually see a little bit of it right there, so let's get started. I'm going to make myself a little bit more space here. If you don't want to do this, you can totally skip this step, but I'm going to remove these two 10mm bolts. That's going to allow me to pull this fender liner back and this down so I can actually access things a lot better. 10mm socket on both of these bolts. Separate this. Now we can more easily reach all the bolts. There are three 15mm bolts holding this on, so let's get them all off. Last one is all the way up here on the bumper. There's the last bolt, and there's the bracket. I cleaned up my bolts, degreased them, and I reapplied some red thread locker on all the threads since the factory already applied some. There was thread locker on there, so I just reapplied some. That way vibrations won't loosen up my bracket. Bring the bracket in, attach it with the first bolt that lines up. And I'm going to slide these two in so it can be centered. And now it's just a matter of tightening everything back up. I'm going to hold the bracket in place as I tighten this first bolt. That's snug. Let's tighten the other two up and then we'll torque it. All right, they're all snug. Let's torque them down. The torque for all three of these is 41 foot-pounds. Those are all torqued. Let's put that splash shield back on. Snug it up. There you go, that's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.